3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
Today, I'll guide you through downloading and installing the latest version of Codex Roblox Executor on your iPhone or iPad. Whether you're enhancing your gameplay or running exciting scripts, this step-by-step process will help you get started. Begin by navigating to Codex's official website. The link will be in the description. On the site, select the iOS option and download the PI file. This will take you to the Codex Executor download page, where you can click the provided link to initiate the download of the IPA file. Once the file is downloaded, you'll need to install it on your iOS device using one of several available methods. These methods include tools such as Ain, Feather Signer, Scarlet, or Sidewayly via PC. For your convenience, I've created videos demonstrating each method, and links to these resources are included in the description. Choose the method that works best for you. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate the installation process using Ain to get Codex Executor running on an iPhone. Follow along as we walk through the process step by step. After completing the installation, you will be all set to explore everything Codex Roblox Executor has to offer. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. If you have questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist.